Hi everyone. So what I thought I would do today is just a quick video on capacities and especially an on this day type functionality, which given that capacities is so much reliant and pushes so much input on a time/day basis. I mean, you open up with a calendar and a daily note. I'm a bit surprised that there's no easier way to achieve this on this day functionality. And all I mean by on this day functionality is, let's say we are today 17th of August. It's obviously 2024, but I might have created daily notes pages in 2023, 2022, 2020, 2017, for example. So I want to see basically the on this day, 17th of August, for whatever year historically or in the future that I have already created notes. So basically, we can do that by using queries. So this is how it looks. So for example, this is what I mean. On the 10th of August, I created these notes. And what I would then want to see is that on the 11th of August, for example, what notes did I create? So there is no easy way for the time being to make it update daily. So for example, give me all of the notes of the 17th, or tomorrow when I open capacities, give me all of the notes on the 18th. So you do have to play around a little bit with the query, but it's simply clicking a button and changing this to be the 11th, for example. And there we have it. These are the dates, these are the notes that I created on this day historically. So to achieve this, it's not difficult. Simply create a query. And what we want to do is we then want to select daily notes with title that includes 8th, or the day, today's day, or whatever day you're interested in. So to do that, we can quickly go to queries and we'll do a new query, and we will do an object type. Object type is daily notes. We want to filter by properties. Title includes 08, let's just do 09 as an example. So basically give me all of the notes that have in the title 9th of August. So if I create that, there we go. So then you can save it or print to dashboard, call this day, call this, and there you go. So that's the query we just created. It then fits into your queries. Obviously pinned it to the left-hand side here because I like to just keep a look on it. And then when I click it, as I say, it'd be nice if tomorrow this would be the year 0818, but I've asked in the Discord and it doesn't seem to be possible. And then obviously from these you can click them, you can view them in different ways, galleries, etc. And then to change the date, it's a simple click, change the date here, and off you go. So hope you found that useful, and thanks very much for watching. And if you've got any questions, please do just let me know.